We're standing on the set of the White Guard, which is one of the biggest shows we've had here for many years. It's very challenging in many ways, is that we have 3 big scene changes in the show.
It's so designed for the Lyttelton at the National Theatre. It's so kind of site specific almost to what's provided by the Lyttelton. The war, the machinery of war, that it felt like a big piece of machinery kind of trundling along, that there was something unstoppable about the evening, and using the whole mechanics of the Lyttelton felt quite appropriate. The first change that we have goes from the apartment to the palace. There's 2 characters left on stage, one of whom is extremely drunk, and he's left on stage and he begins to kind of stagger about the stage as the wagon begins to move.
One of the main challenges for this was to get this wagon itself, which is operated on hydraulics, automated, which we managed to do over a few weeks of head scratching. Now it's up and running. It's a very spectacular scene change.
The whole feeling of it is that the whole world is spinning, and the audience watching it for a moment, I think, thinks, what's happening? And then similarly with the lighting, there's a moment where we get to a cross-cut where we shift from the look of the apartment interior. Suddenly we cross-cut into side lighting that Neil Austin's done, and the palace is revealed and characters appear setting up the palace furniture. And also with the music, that there's that the music works together with that. You tell the story kind of visually and in a soundscape and through the actions of the character. If you have a clever director and a good team behind him, it's amazing how you can cheat people so that you make them look in one direction, and meanwhile something else quite big is happening. When they look back, they think, where did that go? Where's that? How's that happened? And that's kind of fun, because it's a bit like magic, isn't it? That's what magicians do.